welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Dacia keycard remote key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery, quite a common one and available in most stores. Okay, we'll get straight into it. You perhaps might need to watch this to the end because this back will only come off and go on one way. You turn the key on the end, there's a little cutout there, you'll just see it there. So if you have that facing to the right, put your two fingers either side of the key at the front, your two thumbs on the back, just press down, put a little bit of light pressure and press to the right, and the rear of the key lifts off. Now if you turn the key on its end there, this is your emergency key. This will get you in if your remote fails. The location of the lock varies from model to model, so that's something you need to check, but that does clip out of there. Okay, we get a little screwdriver, the battery is placed in under here, and if we just put a little bit of light pressure on there, that releases the cover off the key, battery, and your battery's placed there. So it's placed in positive side up, negative side down. Just go in with a little screwdriver, just carefully lever it out, little tiny bit of pressure, not much, and that releases your battery. Your battery, there's your positive side, the smooth side, the negative side always has a domed edge. Okay, we get the new battery, and that, just pop the bottom edge in first, positive side up, just push it down lightly and it clips into place. Now when you put this back on, it will only go on one way. So what you need to do is ensure that this square edge is square with the edge of the insert of the key. That clips back into place. Now when you're putting the back on, just remember from the cutout, the two slots go on the left side rather. Bring the rear of the key over, place it into place like that, little bit of pressure down again, push it over to the right, and that's job done on your Dacia keycard remote key. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. We'll see you soon.